Whoa! Very black. Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Kat.
I'm Pat, and we are the Drug Queens.
Together, we make videos that are local drugstore and affordable. But for today's video, Pat, anong gagawin natin?
This is another makeup challenge.
And very excited ako to try this.
Yes, because it hit last year, but this is the first time that we're going to try it for ourselves and check if kaya bang mag-adjust ng mga makeup artist na ito sa kahit anong makeup na ibigay sa kanila.
So, kung ready ka na mag-enjoy, chit-chat, and get ready with us, then please keep on watching! Okay, so ito na nga ang mga makeup bags namin. Ding! Ready ka na ba sa makeup challenge na to?
Yes, I am so ready. Nagpaputi pa ako ng facial wash.
Wow!
Sobrang bare ko Ready na talaga kaming matake on this challenge.
And by makeup kit kasi, meaning ito yung mga holy grails namin eh. Ito yung mga lagi namin ginagamit. So, let's see. Okay, so saan tayo mag-start?
Foundation. Ang foundation ni Kat is this LA Girl Pro Matte
High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation in the shade Natural.
This one is yung Maybelline Superstay.
24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude.
Let us pray to the gods.
It's either it's too white for me or it's too dark for her. Let's see. Ano bang goal nitong mga makeup switch challenge na to? Hindi ko nagigets eh. Hindi na ba kayo masaya sa mga makeup kit nyo? At kaya ginawa nyo tong challenge na to.
Siguro, yung paraan, pag nakakuha ka ng maling shade, ano yung nga dapat na gawin?
Pero lang ganda naman itong, foundation.
Talaga?
Ganda. Ganda ng coverage.
Lalo na tong Maybelline. Ganda Plakado na Pwede na humiga. Yan talaga lately yung foundation na pinaka-favorite ko. Ikaw ba? Bakit sa lahat ng foundation na meron ka, bakit si Maybelline?
Kasi siya na lang yung meron kong laban.
Totoo ba?
Oo.
Ano-ano na yung mga foundation na naubos mo?
Wala na, ubos na.
Ubos na?
What? Oo, yung CoverGirl, hindi na siya ma-pump. So, like, I can only...
Wow, naubos mo talaga.
Oo, so I can use is only yung, like, sasalpak ko yung applicator sa mukha ko.
Sobrang cake ko na. So far, medyo ka-shade ko pa. Hindi man pala tayo nagkakalayo ng shade eh. Pwede na pala.
Ewan ko ha. Next is kilay, syempre, of course. And I'm going to use another LA Girl. And this is their brow pomade. And dark brown.
And this one from Careline, Best Brow Liner. Lagi ko tong naririnig kay Pat. Ito talaga yung favorite niya.
Yan ko lang matatry yung LA Girl pomade.
Sa past videos namin, I have said na nag-transition ako from pencil to pomade. Kasi sparse ang aking brow.
Gosh, girl, nagkikilay ka na ganito. Ang itim. Parang pangkilay ko. Oh my gosh, tapos agad ako sa kilay. Ang galing, kaliwa. Kaso ang hirap kasing bauyin ito sa makeup, everyday makeup mo eh.
May maliit akong brush. Yung
Totoo?
kay, Project Vanity and Ellana Minerals collaboration. Meron silang maliit na ganyan. So, yung isang tip is angled and then yung isang tip is spoolie.
Ang galing ha.
Ang
Snatched
gusto ko,
agad.
Yes. Ang gusto ko dyan sa pomade na yan is yun nga. Pwede mong darkan, pwede mong lightan. Depende sa intensity na gusto. And then this one naman kay Careline, napakaganda. Ang daming control. Mabilis lang mag-drawing ng kilay.
Alam nyo guys, ang kilay ang pinaka-importante sa makeup kit. Ang dami ng beses na nakikipag-away ako sa tao pag wala akong kilay.
Iba yung mood mo pag maganda yung kilay.
Iba
Your
talaga.
mood depends on how good or how great your eyebrows look.
Sometimes
Ayan.
the whole makeup itself. Like, ano yung nagawa mo for the day.
Okay, so masasabi ko lang sa shade is medyo warm siya. Pero okay lang kasi warm naman yung hair ko. Now that the kilays are perfect na. Next is, of course, concealer.
Mhm.
I'm going to use yung kanyang Holy Grail Rimmel London. Am I right?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. I'm going to use the Silkygirl Quick Fix in the shade Natural Light.
Siyempre, kung foundation ko, light na, paano pa yung concealer? So, I haven't used a concealer na doe foot applicator. Ayun lang. Lagyan ko na rin ng lids for prepping later.
Whoa! Okay, so now we're going to move on to our eyes.
And I'm going to use yung kanyang Holy Grail.
So, sobrang Holy Grail, pakita mo.
Dalawa na siya. Ha? Fashion 21, yung kanilang eyeshadow kit. And the number 6. Ah, okay. So, may 6 kinds ito. Kit.
Yun yung all matte nila. I'm going to use is yung kanyang Holy Grail din na Features and Shades single eyeshadow in 3 colors. This is Mahogany Wood,
Mousse.
Cinnamon Mousse, Glamour Peach, and also maybe I would also use the Shawill Sweetheart Blusher or yung kanyang contour. Pero oh my gosh, ang daming klase ng brown dito. Nalula si ako. Pero sige, kaya natin yan.
Ikaw ba, when you look for brown shades, saan ka mas naglilin? Warm browns or cool browns?
Warm browns. So, warm browns ako kasi it's more of, feeling ko mas easier talaga na mag-blend or ma-blend siya sa skin ko and mas mukha siyang natural. I think it really depends on how you use the brown shades.
Naglilin ako towards cool-toned brown.
Because
Mas bagay siya sa akin. Mas nagko-complement siya sa skin tone ko.
2020 lang kung ano ng challenges ang ginagawa na naman natin. Pero when was the last time na we did a makeup challenge?
Tagal na!
When was the last time? Was it the TOOO?
Feeling ko yung I did my partner's makeup.
Kumakain hilay mo, sabi ko sa'yo.
Feeling ko yun na yung last.
Oh, it was September pa. So what I'm doing is I'm starting off dun sa lower lid ko. Really, really dark and then pushing it upwards so like wala tayong harsh lines.
Alam mo, ang bilis i-blend together ng mga eyeshadow na to. I can see why naging favorite to ni Pat. Sobrang bilis mag-blend. So, yung style ko kasi with eyeshadow is, pa-oval na ganun. Kasi, yun lang yung kasha.
Ano yung oval mo?
Pa ganun.
Okay, ayan. Vampira na ang kanyang prinsesa or ang Queen Elizabeth with the hair na din. Now, to finish off this look, we're going to use each other's eyeliner.
And ito ang gamit ni Beshi, ang kanyang HyperSharp Maybelline New York.
This is another LA girl. This is the Gel Eyeliner Gel 722. Very black.
Bakit felt pen ang gusto mo pag eyeliner?
Hindi siya nagsasmudge. At dahil in the office, wala talaga akong, or pag nasa labas ako, sobrang minsan lang talaga ako mag-retouch. So, para mag-gel liner ako, hindi ko agad makikita kung meron na bang something wrong or whatsoever. So, that's why yun yung gamit ko. Ikaw ba?
Ganda nito
Tsaka madali lang kasi.
Very black. And yun nga, very fine yung tip. So, kahit ang liit-liit ng mata ko, na-drawing ko naman ng maigi yung aking eyeliner. Pero nakakita rin ako sa kanyang makeup kit ng pencil. So, since hindi ko kaya mag-tight line using felt pen, I'm going to use this Flormar eyeliner. Smudge yan ng kaunti. So, before you open your eyes, patuyin mo. I use that kasi for a more natural eyeliner or tight line. Kasi soft lang siya. Hindi siya very harsh na line. And yun yung ginagamit ko for everyday. And it doesn't smudge or transfer dito sa baba. I go for subtle looks lang naman.
Sure ba? Subtle looks ikaw sa office?
Minsan, on days. Yan, mayroon na tayong lashes. And then next batch.
contour, syempre.
I'm going to use yung Silkygirl Photosharp Contour and Highlight.
I'm going to use the Shawill Makeup Sweetheart Blusher.
May contour powder ba?
Oh, wala. Hindi ako nagpo-contour powder sa office.
Cream talaga. More on cream ka.
Kasi kinakamay ko lang yan. Para lang magkaroon ng cutting definition. Pero sobrang minsan lang pag kunyari may meeting, ganon, yung mga face-to-face meetings, kanya. Pero nonetheless, kapag wala akong contour. Ikaw ba? Lagi ka nagpo-contour?
Hindi mo naman na kailangan contour.
Ikaw ba? Kung nagpo-contour ka ba?
Lagi kailangan datapwat.
Datapwat.
Kasi naman, my cheeks, I'm very round. Kailangan ko maglagay ng kanto. On events na kailangan ng medyo mas heavy na makeup, ayun, tsaka lang ako nag-cream plus powder. So, itong shade nung iyong contour, just enough for me.
Next up is blush, and I'm going to use the Intuit Mini Heart Blush on PVB 03 Mary.
And this one from Ellana, yung kanyang Morena's Choice. So, more on peachy to, ayan, more on orange. Gamit na gamit,
more on pink.
Natatakot lang ako na baka mag-camel ako.
That is so easy to blend.
Nagbumukha ka ng ako.
Okay, now that we're done with the contour, and I can see naman na it complemented my white skin. And it complemented her natural. What? Parang sobrang natural lang naman sa'yo. Nag-blend lang sa'yo yung color
parang
ko.
Skin ko pa rin.
Kainis. Okay, so I'm going to use this BLK Multitasking Color Stick in Champagne.
And yung other end ng ating Silkygirl Photosharp for highlight.
Naawa ka na ba sa akin, Silkygirl? Oh my god.
I'm telling you.
How? Blinding. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's move on to our lipstick. I'm going to use the Sunnies Face in Posh.
And I'm going to use yung kanina natin ginamit for cheeks. Oh, so nice! Grabe! So far, I'm liking the overall look. Talagang very no makeup look. Sobrang ganda.
To top this all off, maglalagay tayo ng lip gloss because we're a little bit extra. And I'm going to use her Shawill Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Gloss.
And I'm going to use yung Fashion 21 Lip Shine.
Sobrang favorite namin tong Shawill.
Yan yung nag-start ng love ko for lip gloss.
Same. Hindi drip, drip, drip pa. Mapang akit ang lip gloss na yan. Girl, do you know what this means?
Ano?
Buhok na lang tayo.
Yan. So, complete na yung look, no? So, finishing touches na lang and then we'll be right back.
Cinammon. Cute natin! Okay. Did you feel na parang nag-iba yung makeup mo?
Yes. Ibang-iba siya from my usual everyday makeup.
How so?
Iba na yung look ko. Iba talaga. More, kasi pag ako when I use my products, I look more like a Korean Careline. Pero when I used Pat's products, I looked like Filipino na more earthy yung look ko. Earthy. It's a term. It's natural. Hindi mo halata na may makeup ako.
And for me naman, it's more of katulad sinabi ni Kat when she gave me her comment. Mas nagkaroon ng parang, okay, may highlights siya dito. White stuff over there. Mas nagkaroon ng dimension. Kasi mas nakita yung structure and everything else. But for me, it still looks the same. Okay, medyo lighter lang ng mga lighter one shade lang.
Masyado bang malayo sa leg mo? Parang hindi naman, di ba?
Parang di naman. Pero kasi acidic ako, so nagsasubside pa siya. Anyway, I enjoyed this video.
Yes, I enjoyed playing with our makeup. So,
and I hope you guys too. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Please like this video, comment down below yung inyong mga makeup challenges na gusto nyo pang gawin namin, and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. It's all posted right here. And our past videos are all right here.
That is all for today. See you next week. Bye!